Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically we're using Wix to make a website, edit some things. You have a business you want to publish and everything else, and you are currently asking on how to edit the mobile view on this website. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually do so, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way and look for Wix.com. After this, we're gonna tap on this website. Make sure also you log in using your email address and password. You complete all of them settings needed first. As for now, we're gonna go and look. In this left corner, we have many settings, including home, getting paid, sales. We have also the site and the mobile app. We're gonna tap on this option. As you see here, you have much templates to pick from for a website on your PC, for example. As for the mobile app, we're gonna go all the way and tap mobile app here, then wait a couple seconds until this view fully opens. Now you can go and tap on this edit app. So we're gonna wait again. As for now, you have many options, as you see. So basically here, you can change all of this. You can also add elements by tapping on this plus button. You can add a button here, add a list, add a banner, add a store. You can also go to this restaurant area basically to look for booking, events, blogs, or even groups. You can also change the header if you want to. So I'm gonna go and tap on header, go to minimal for example. You can go and change basically the title to whatever you want. You can also keep it on food, subtitle, food. You can basically show a logo if you want to. And you can also hit publish once everything is done. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.